In this course, I will be demonstrating the crucial steps that I have personally utilized to gain a substantial income from copywriting while dedicating minimal time to it. Copywriting is the art and science of writing copy or text that is designed to persuade or influence a particular audience. Whether you're writing website copy, email marketing campaigns, or social media posts, the goal of copywriting is to connect with your audience and get them to take a desired action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or visiting your website. Here are a few tips and tricks for effective copywriting. Know your audience. Before you start writing, it's important to understand who you're writing for. Who are your target customers? What are their pain points? What are their goals? Knowing your audience will help you craft copy that speaks directly to them and addresses their needs. Keep it simple and direct. Don't use jargon or overly complex language. Instead, use simple and direct language that is easy for your audience to understand. Use a call to action. A call to action, CTA, is a phrase or button that encourages your audience to take a specific action. Examples of CTAs include, buy now, sign up, or learn more. Make sure your CTA is clear and prominently placed in your copy. Use storytelling. People are naturally drawn to stories, and using storytelling in your copy can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Think about how your product or service can help your customers solve a problem or achieve a goal, and use that as the basis for your story. Use persuasive language. Use words that evoke emotion and create a sense of urgency. This can include words like limited time, exclusive, discount, free, or guaranteed. Test and optimize. The key to effective copywriting is testing and optimization. Try different headlines, calls to action, and images to see what resonates with your audience. Use A/B testing to see which versions of your copy perform the best, and then use that information to improve your copywriting over time. Make use of headlines and subheadings. Headlines and subheadings break up your text and make it easier for readers to scan and understand your message. Use headlines and subheadings to highlight the main points of your copy and to make it easy for readers to quickly find the information they're looking for. Use images and videos. Images and videos can be powerful tools to help you connect with your audience. They can be used to illustrate a point, to create a sense of emotion, or to demonstrate a product or service in action. Use bullet points and lists. Bullet points and lists are another great way to make your copy more scannable and easy to understand. They help break up the text and make it easier for your audience to grasp the main points of your message. Use bullet points and lists to summarize key takeaways and make your copy more engaging. Use images and videos. Visuals can be a powerful tool for enhancing your copy and making it more engaging. Use images and videos to illustrate your message and make it more relatable to your audience. Optimize for SEO. Optimizing your copy for search engines can help you increase visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Use relevant keywords and phrases in your copy, but be sure to avoid keyword stuffing. Chat GPT is a powerful language model that can be used to streamline the copywriting process and increase efficiency. With its advanced capabilities, Chat GPT can help you create high-quality, persuasive, and engaging content that can be used to copyright various means, such as website copy, email marketing campaigns, and social media posts. One of the best ways to use Chat GPT for copywriting is to use it to generate headlines and subheadings. Headlines and subheadings play a key role in making your copy more readable and scannable. By inputting a general idea of your headline or subheading, Chat GPT can generate several options for you to choose from, saving you time and effort in the process. Another way to use Chat GPT for copywriting is to use it to generate ideas for your content. By providing Chat GPT with a topic or theme, it can generate a list of ideas for you to choose from, giving you a starting point for your copy. This can be especially helpful when you are stuck on what to write about or when you need a fresh perspective on a topic. Chat GPT can also be used to generate calls to action, CTA, for your copy. A CTA is a phrase or button that encourages your audience to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or visiting your website. By providing Chat GPT with your desired action and target audience, it can generate a list of effective CTAs for you to use in your copy. In addition, Chat GPT can also be used to generate persuasive language for your copy. Persuasive language can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level and increase the effectiveness of your copy. By providing Chat GPT with your desired outcome, it can generate a list of persuasive phrases and words that can be used in your copy to encourage your audience to take action. Finally, Chat GPT can also be used to generate and optimize your copy for SEO. By providing Chat GPT with your desired keywords and phrases, it can generate copy that is optimized for search engines, which can help you increase visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Overall, Chat GPT is a powerful tool for any copywriter looking to streamline their process and increase their earning potential. By making use of its advanced capabilities, you can save time and effort while still producing high-quality, persuasive, and engaging content that can be used to earn money through various means. Copywriting is an art and science, and it takes time and practice to master. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to crafting copy that connects with your audience and drives results. Remember, copywriting is an ongoing process, and you should always be testing and optimizing your copy to see what works best. In conclusion, copywriting is the process of writing persuasive, compelling, and actionable content that can influence people to take certain actions. It's a skill that can be learned and mastered with time and practice. Remember to always keep your audience in mind, use persuasive language, and test and optimize your copy to see what works best. Happy copywriting!